Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making bacon cheddar ranch pasta salad. Right now I am chopping up a bell pepper in cube sizes. I actually use the whole bell pepper. You can use any type of vegetable to your liking. I like the bell pepper because it's crunchy, but yeah, totally your preference. Do as you please. And here I am showing you what kind of pasta I used. I used mini small shelled pasta. You can use just about anything. I used a salad dressing whipped off brand and I'm struggling to open it right now. Okay, looks like I got it. Yeah, so I used an off brand one. You can definitely use like a nicer brand. It's totally up to you. But this was just for me at home, so I just used like a basic one that I got at like Aldi's. So I recommend using a cup for this salad dressing. You could definitely use like a cup and a half if you're trying to keep it in the measurements, but I kind of eyeball it. Start off with a cup, add a half a cup if needed, add a half a cup more, so on and so forth. Do it to your preference. But yeah, so just toss it in there and mix it around. If it looks a little dry, then add a little bit more. Definitely get it all mixed in, and also make sure you're using cold pasta, guys. Rinse it off with cold water, let it sit in the fridge overnight. Do not salt or add oil to the pasta water, just boil it plain, okay? Nothing super fancy. This is a ranch packet that you can get in the ranch area. I love these. I usually keep a few of these. This is like the secret ingredient, okay? These are really good for like anything, but yeah, they're super good and delish, so you want to get every last bit. Yeah, get it in there, girl, yes. But yeah, so mix that around, so on and so forth, and then I used sharp cheddar. I had problems opening the bag, so here's some scissors. I like the tanginess of sharp cheddar. You can use mild if you choose. I like the thick cut one. I used about a cup and a half of cheddar. I thought about measuring it, but it didn't look right, so yeah, about a cup and a half. This is the bacon bits that I used, just some Kroger brand. But the awesome thing is if you don't use bacon, which I don't know why you're watching this if you don't use bacon, but if you are because you're my friend, you can use turkey bacon. I definitely saw some really awesome options there for turkey bacon. Or you could just use it without it. I've had it without it and it's still good. But the bacon just kind of makes it sound really good because, we love bacon here. I used about half of the bag and it was almost a little bit too much, but add to your preference. I'll give you the ounces in the description so you know what size bag to get. But yeah, whenever you're making this though, you can definitely, like, whenever you have it sitting in the fridge overnight, when you go to lay it in the container of whoever you're taking over to the house, maybe sprinkle some fresh cheddar on top of it and some fresh bacon bits just to make it look more appetizing. Not a whole lot because you don't want to cover it. You just want it to look nice and pretty on the top. Okay, and there you go. There's an easy dish. I was kind of bumming it today and I made this video really quick for you guys because this is my favorite dish to take to any event. Most people like it. I've never got a complaint on it, and it's my own recipe, and it's really cool because you can magnify it however you want. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.